darkness grows in the east. Is it rain or dust? Billowing dust devours everything, swallowing Yongxing Li. Dust forms a bubble, creating a new landscape. Mesopotamia takes shape, rivers like Eden's entrance. Whirling clusters form along the riverbanks. Cities beat to unique rhythms, civilizations evolve. Conscious attention enables choice beyond instinct. Shared language and customs synchronize thinking. Shared beliefs create powerful collective energy. Cities swirl around their patron gods. Complexity emerges as civilizations grow. Civilization blooms along the Tigris and Euphrates.